everyone, how are you? So today starts the new chapter which is things around us. Okay, things around us. So today you will learn in this chapter about what are the things you will see around us. Okay, so let's see what is this. This is a tree. This is sun, birds, table, star. Okay, so these are all the things which you can see everywhere, isn't it? So these are the things which you can see everywhere. Okay, now these things are of two types: living things and non-living things. Now students, what are living things? Living things means the things which eat, grow, breathe and reproduce. Okay? So, like we human being, we are living things. We can move from one place to another. Okay? We can eat, we grow and breathe. Isn't it? Now non-living thing. Non-living things do not eat, grow, breathe and reproduce. That means they don't eat, they don't grow, they don't breathe and reproduce. Even they don't move from one place to another place. For examples, kite, pencils. Okay? Living things, fish, flowers. Because they have a life in them, and non-living thing, they don't have any life. So this is living things and non-living things. Okay? Now, next we will know about this. Non-living things are mainly of two types. One is natural things, another one is man-made things. Okay? Now, natural things means which is God gifted, which we can get it from nature, right? So the things which are not made by man is called natural things. That is God gifted. This is we can get it from our nature. For example, apple, mountain, rain. Okay, so these are all the natural things. You can get it from nature and which are not made by man. So these are called natural things. Next, man-made things. Man-made things. Okay, now what is man-made things? That we are using every day, these man-made things. Like this chair, table, okay, computers. These are all made by man. So the things which are made by man is called man-made things, like this chair, bat, computers. Okay. So this is the basic difference between natural things and man-made things. Clear? So what is natural things? The things which are not made by man. We can get it from the nature. Like apple, we can get it from the tree, apple tree. Mountain, okay. So this is a God gifted. We get it from nature, mountain. Rain, okay, from clouds we can get rain. So these are all the natural things. And the difference with man-made thing is that man-made things are made by man. Made by man means we human being are going to be created. Okay, so these things are called man-made things, right? This chair we are going to be created, human being. Bat, created by man. Computers, Okay, invented by man. So these are all the man-made things. Understood? So in this lesson, we will learn about what are the things you can see around us. There are various types of things, many things we can see day to day life. The stars which are in the sky, the sun, the birds, table, trees, ball, pots, so many things we can see around us. Okay. Now these things are of two types mainly. One is categorized as living things, another one is non-living things. Okay. So these living things can move, can grow, can breathe and reproduce. Reproduce means to give birth the young ones. Okay. Like fish, flowers, human beings. These are all the living things. That means they have a life in them. Okay. But on the other hand, non-living things do not eat, grow, breathe, move. So these are the features of non-living things. Like this pencil, like this pen. This is a non-living things. Like this table. This is non-living things. Okay. Like this paper. This paper is a non-living things. Kite. Because they don't have a life in them. So they are called non-living things. Understood all of you? Now, there is one worksheet for you. Okay. So let student do yourself. You can do it yourself. Very interesting. Take the correct option. What I said? Take the correct option. Okay. So let's start. A dash needs food. What needs food? A dash needs food. Okay. So which one is the correct option? The option is given here. Dog, pen, book. Now tell me students, which one is the correct option? Yes, a dog. Very good. Because a dog is a living things and pen, books are non-living things. So living things need food. That's why dog is the correct option. I tick mark here. Understood? Next, a dash can grow on its own. What are the options? Bag, brick, girl. So what can grow on its own? Bag, brick, girl. Girl. Very good. Why? Because a girl is a living thing which can grow on its own, right? Next, a dash is a living things. A dash is a living things. Now let's see the option. Pencil, plant, car. Which one is the correct option? Which is the living things here? Plant. Good. A dash is a non-living things like chair, snake, parrot. Which one is the non-living things here? Chair. Why? Because this chair have no life on it. And on the other hand, snake, parrot, they are all living things. Okay. So, chair is a non-living things. Understood all of you? Next, this homework is for you. That we are going to be seen next class. All of you look at here. Name any two living things. You can write yourself what are the two living things what I have just discussed in your chapter. What are the two living things? Very easy. Next, non-living things. Name any two non-living things. Okay. Next, from page number 7, take the things you see in your house. in your book, open page number 7, and there you can see, tick the things you see in your house. What are the things you can see in your house? Okay. Tick the things you see in the sky. What are the things you are going to see in the sky? So these are the things you can tick in your book from page number 7. And this homework you have to write in your copy, giving 2 examples of each. What are living things, what are non-living things. Okay. So this is your homework. So hope all of you understood this chapter very well. What are the things which you can see around us? Okay. There are many things which you can see every day, and the things are of 2 types, living and what you learned today. What are the 2 things? Living and non-living things. Okay, what are living things? What are non-living things? All of you clear? Okay, and the examples of living things and non-living things, right? And what you learned? What are the 2 non-living things, like natural things and man-made things? The natural things we can get it from nature, okay, and they are not man-made, but the man-made things which are made by man, isn't it? Now you can difference between this natural things and man-made things. Okay, so all of you read this chapter at your home. Stay healthy, stay safe, be at your home. Bye bye all of you.